Hello, Alona Lancers. Mrs. Tellier here, and I am going to explain to you what to do when you have a discount and tax, which happens a lot in real life, so make sure you're buckled up and ready for it. So, discount and tax are two different things. One is a percent increase, while the other one's a percent decrease, and we'll look at which one they are. But they are percents of change. So the first thing we got to do is find the percent of the number. Convert the percent to a decimal and multiply the decimal by the original. Then, if it's an increase, add it to the original. If it's a decrease, subtract it from the original amount. So if you look over here, tax is an increase. However, a discount, a sale, that's a decrease. So we're going to have a decrease and an increase that we have to do. But there's one more really important piece. When you're calculating a sale and tax, the order is really important. Most retail companies will apply the sale and then the tax. And then tax you on the sale price, not the original price, which is very nice of them because that means you're getting taxed at a lower rate as opposed to a much higher one. I kind of want to keep this a little closer so you can see that important note. So sorry, I'm adjusting the notes real quickly. All right, so I don't have a pen open, my bad. I'm gonna just use black for now because I don't know what's going on yet. It says, Marcus buys a varsity jacket from a clothing store in Anaheim. The price of the jacket is $80. And it is on sale for 10% off, okay? And then I'm going to put this one in a different color since it's a totally different thing. And then sales tax, let's use yellow for this one. The sales tax is 8%. What is the total cost of the jacket? All right, so I have sale and I have tax. These are two different things, and they apply differently. So I'm actually going to split this up a little bit. I may have to scroll back up to look at that important note. Whoa, it got crazy, sorry. All right. I have to deal with the sale first. Then I'm going to come back and tackle the tax. And actually, I wrote this really big, so I'm going to write them a little small. Sale, tax. Okay, just focusing on the sale first. We got this. We know how to do sales. I need to find the percent of the number. All right, so sale was, and be careful, it says sales tax, so don't think that that's the sale price. Sale for 10% off. So I move the decimal once, twice. That's going to be 0.1. 0.10, 0.1, they're all the same, times the cost of the jacket. All right, well, the jacket's $80. Sales are decreased. So I'm going to subtract it from the $80 jacket. And if you watched any of the other problems, I've already done this one, but that's okay. So 0.1 times 80. And I'm doing it on my handy dandy calculator. Gives me 8. That means that this jacket is $8 off. Not that the jacket costs $8. So I'm going to do 80 subtract 8. And that tells me that the sale price of the jacket is $72. Okay, and remember that this is the sale price. Now I need to apply tax. And remember that percents are going off of the total. They're not going to tax me on the $80 original cost. They are going to tax me on the sale price. I'm going to do it in green. So sale price, this is what they're taxing me on. So I'm setting up a similar expression, except with a different percent, and I'm going to add them because it's an increase. So let's just start from the beginning. That 8%, I move it once, twice. 0.8 0.08. And just in case that decimal's not big enough, there we go. I'm not multiplying it by 80. I'm multiplying by the sale price, $72. And then taxes, boo, they add it to our price. They're going to add it to the original 72. Well, not original, the sale price of 72. So now I multiply before I add. Multiply that 0.08 times the $72. And this tax is going to be about $5.76. Remember, that's not the total cost. I have to add it to the 72. So I'm doing 72 plus 5.76. And I get that Marcus is going to pay a grand total of $77.76. Ooh, rainbow, that sounds fun. Woo! That's how much he's paying all told. When you have sale and tax, you need to calculate the sale price first. Then you tax on the sale price, not on the original price. All right? We've got this. That's the only thing different. And now you're applying 2 skills because you're rock stars and you can do this. Make sure to reach out if you ever have any questions. Bye, friends.